welcome back, and kind of a bittersweet day. It's getting down to the time where this is the last time we will see this car on these stilts. Bitter because we're almost so used to it, sweet because we could finally move forward. And since these are so tall, I built them this way so that they could media blast the car originally, and he could get underneath it and all the frame rails and stuff like that. I built it high. One thing I didn't do that I've kind of learned that I can either maybe modify in the future or when I build a fresh set, maybe for the satellite, is to make them adjustable. Maybe put how some adjustable pinion numbers have like the pin section. I might have to do that on these. That way, all you gotta do is jack it up, adjust the wheel into a shorter or a longer, and then you're good to go. So that's a little lesson learned there. But what I think I can do now is just to get it down gradually. You go down the back a little bit, go down the front, and keep stair-stepping it down that way. So first I'll have to just simply take these wheels off. Now they are 9.5 inches from the flange all the way down to the floor. So that's going to take out quite a bit. We'll put probably a 4x4 under each of the stilts here. And then we go up to the front, take it off, do the exact same thing, and just gradually bring it down, even gradually down to like a 2x4. And if it really needs to be, you just don't want it to where it's too much of an angle where it wants to slip on the frame rail. If you put like a jack under it, okay, or a jack stand, you don't want it to go and get away from you, and then all your hard work's out the window. So I've got to take these nuts and bolts off and see where we stand. So far it's worked out way better than I thought after a lot of thinking. So it looks like we can do our large jack stands, get this thing up here, and then get it under the frame rail right behind the hanger location. And I've got some rubber pad here to kind of protect our paint. Bring it up as high as it goes. It leaves you about a 1/4 inch to drop. I think that'll probably work. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Right there. Alright, so I'm going to take it up just enough to get the weight off the legs. And now I can just simply unbolt from the spring hanger location. So yeah, I just use OK frame bolts because I mean it's already threaded for it. You just got to make the hole big enough for the back piece here, the shank, whatever you want to call it. So there's the stands, the dollies, whatever you want to call them. The wheels are, what do I do with the wheels? Oh, they're back in the corner. So, the wheels just unbolt like you saw. And here's what you got. So if you want to store these, you just take the cross brackets out, and then you can put them on a nice little pile, and you can put them up in the attic, hang them on the wall, however you want to do it. Works out pretty good. So there is a full cycle, full circle with our dollies that we built from scratch.